The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has filed a motion of no confidence against President Cyril Ramaphosa, accusing him of failing to govern effectively amid rising crime, economic stagnation, and weakening national security. In a formal letter addressed to National Assembly Speaker Thokoza Disa, the party slammed Ramaphosa's leadership as a catalyst for growing public disillusionment, saying it had allowed the country to unravel. The move follows explosive claims by KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, who recently alleged political interference in the operations of law enforcement agencies, a development that has deepened the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's concerns. At the center of the controversy is Ramaphosa's decision to retain Police Minister Senzo Mchunu instead of firing him in the wake of Mkhwanazi's revelations. The president placed Mchunu on special leave and announced the establishment of a judicial commission of inquiry. In the interim, constitutional law expert Professor Feroz Kachela has been appointed as acting Minister of Police. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has taken its grievances to the Constitutional Court, challenging both the legality of Mchunu's leave and Kachela's appointment. Addressing the media on Tuesday in Cape Town, Umkhonto weSizwe Party Chief Whip Colin Makhubela did not mince words, labeling Ramaphosa's actions as cowardice, and said, "We have filed our no-confidence motion against President Ramaphosa for a series of leadership failures, chief among them his refusal to fire Minister Mchunu despite grave allegations of political meddling in the police force." She further accused the president of being selective in his disciplinary actions, referring the recent dismissal of former Higher Education Minister Nombuhle Nkabane, and said Minister Nkabane was an easy, soft target, a sacrificial lamb offered at the altar of the government of national unity. If fairness and consistency mattered, Minister Mchunu should have been dismissed in the same breath. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has formally requested that the parliament reconvene urgently within the next 2 weeks to debate and vote on the motion. As political tensions rise, all eyes will be on the National Assembly and the Constitutional Court as South Africa navigates another political flashpoint in its evolving political landscape. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.